Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. So we can do this in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to do it on the phone. And I'm gonna show you both of the ways. So to do it on the watch, you wake up the screen on it, then swipe left on the home screen to open the health widgets, and here we have the activity widget, and you can see the calories burned right here. You can also tap on it to open more detailed information, and here we have total burned calories, activity calories and stuff like that, so you can check more stats. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And to do this on the phone, you will need to download and install the Samsung Health application, and once you do, you can open the Samsung Health. Actually, let me reopen it. And in the Samsung Health app, on the home page, you will see the daily activities. You can tap on them, and here we have calories, and we have the active calories, and I believe exercise calories are here. You can also check the daily progression so basically you can check the stats throughout the week if you want to. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you track the amount of calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.